So this is the Dodge Hornet.
No, it's not.
Well, I don't know what it is then. I don't know much about this car, other than I think it comes as a hybrid version, and I like the color of this one. That's
Again, actually,
it.
there's a color theme here too. This is even kind of similar.
Everyone loves the gray, the slate gray thing, but this actually I like has more blue hue to it, so that's kind of cool.
Sonic gray.
But this is actually an Alpha, and if I remember correctly, Alpha is actually really upset that this car exists because they put a lot of work into getting their platform out, and Dodge came in and was like, we're gonna also use this, and they kind of stole their thunder.
Take a seat. I kind of want your thoughts on some things here,
okay.
Steffan.
I see it's got the traditional Alpha B pillar way up in the front. That's cool.
It's the signature, but you know, once again, we're in a situation here where the interior is okay, nothing special, but I like it because everything seems to work, which is a wild concept nowadays. And so, you know, I'll give this an interior pass, even if it looks a little bit boring and whatnot. Everything just seems to work.
It's comfortable enough. It's totally adequate.
Yep.
Yeah, this is an Alpha.
Yeah. All right, let's take a look at a real Alpha.